Step into the welcoming embrace of this beautifully updated townhome at Smithbrooke in Lake Worth. With a new roof installed in 2023, this meticulously maintained residence invites you to experience a perfect blend of comfort and style. The warm ambience extends throughout the 2 bedrooms, versatile loft, convertible to a 3rd bedroom, and laminate flooring upstairs, creating a cozy haven with no carpet in sight. Natural light bathes the main level, highlighting the spacious living room with triple sliders offering a delightful view of the garden. The chef-inspired kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, a new microwave, and elegant quartz countertops, ensuring a delightful culinary experience in this 1,300-plus square foot home. The 1-car garage is equipped with an EV charger for added convenience. Enjoy the vibrant community amenities, including a gym, racketball courts, and a refreshing pool. Smithbrooke is a pet-friendly haven, allowing up to 2 pets with a combined weight of 50 pounds benefit from the convenience of A-rated schools in the area, and relish the proximity to Boynton Beach and Wellington for shopping and dining options. A short drive to Palm Beach International Airport and downtown West Palm Beach adds to the appeal of this ideal location.